Hello and welcome to SketchingFineArt, back again with another quick unboxing. Today I'm just doing a quick little unboxing of my new Magic Mouse. This is the Magic Mouse 2 from Apple that I'll be using on my iMac because my original Magic Mouse has gone all funny and it started disconnecting randomly and so frequently that it's just getting on my nerves, and I finally decided to upgrade to the new one. Now, I was quite skeptical about this new one because it's got the charger, hasn't it? It's got charging rather than having a battery that you replace, and I've been using this one for years, for so many years now. This particular one that I've got here, this is like nearly on its 5th year, and it started messing up, and usually with peripheral devices, that's how much you usually get out of them, up to 5 years, I would say, from my own experience. But generally speaking, again, I would have preferred to just get a new version of this, but the thing is, I just couldn't find it anywhere because you know how it is with Apple. When they get the new products out, that's all you can get. So enough talking, and let's get on with this unboxing. So again, I was quite skeptical about this one because of the wired charging, but hey, we might as well move forward with the times and get used to it, I guess. So let's have a quick look at the box. As you would expect from Apple, all nice, clean packaging, nice and sturdy. On the side, you've got the Apple logo on that side, you've got the Apple logo on this side, and you've got the picture of the Magic Mouse at the front, but you don't have an Apple logo at the front, which is a bit weird, but there you go. So at the back, you've just got some details, just bog standard details. So I think I'm just going to get ready to crack this one open. Just going to carefully go at this edge with my little knife, and yeah, so I wouldn't say I'm really excited about using this. I mean, in the end of the day, this is a mouse, and I'm a graphic designer, and you know, this is the kind of device, a peripheral device that I use every single day, and I've been doing this for so many years now, and it's my kind of, you know, bread and butter, if you like, of devices and hardware. So it is a vital piece to my day-to-day job as a full-time graphic designer and also a freelance illustrator. So yeah, so there we go. We've got nice bits of packaging there. So I'll put it back on the table and just lift it up. And you're going to get that from Apple, aren't you? You're going to get that box nicely sliding out. And there we go. So I'll just turn it around. And there it is. So looks-wise, it's pretty much exactly the same as the old one. I mean, this old one that I had is proper battered. I mean, it's been completely thrown around, all sorts, over the years. So in terms of looks, it's pretty much the same, I would say. It looks slightly thinner. What we'll do is we'll just move it to the side and quickly have a look at what we get in the box. Little card insert thing, Magic Mouse 2. Some literature, can't be bothered with that, and here it is. This is the new thing. This is the advancement, if you like. It's a bit weird. It's not really an advancement, is it? I mean, come on, Apple. From complete wireless to something that's wired. Now, my understanding of this is that you can charge this up by just pretty much attaching this to your iMac or a normal kind of charger, USB charger. And it shouldn't take too long to charge. I think somebody the other day was saying to me that it takes probably, you know, just in a few minutes you can get a couple of hours usage of it from the charge, and you know, only time will tell when I test this out. So yeah, there's the box. Nothing more special about that. So let's just throw that to the side. Let's see what the length on this is like. So yeah, not bad length. I guess it's fine. I mean, back in the old days, well, not really in the old days, even today, you still have wired mouses, don't you? So I guess that's fine. So let's just look at the actual mouse itself. So yeah, so if we look at the bottom, you can see that we have pretty much the same design apart from the little flap plate that you have for the battery. So in the old one, which was this, and I hated opening this, absolute nightmare to open this, you'd always have this little flap that reveals the entry for the batteries, and then you have a little switch on the top. The aesthetic of it is pretty much the same, minus the actual battery compartments. So in terms of looks from the back, pretty much the same. The only thing that's missing is it doesn't have a little slot over here, a little kind of dot over here, which usually lights up when you turn the battery on, like that. So in this one, you can see that the light is coming on when you're turning it on. With this over here, I'm guessing that you just literally just turn that on once it's fully charged and you're ready to go on it. So that's about it. So yeah, in terms of how does it feel in the hand, I would say it feels slightly different in terms of it being a little bit thin. I mean, if you have a look at this, you can see that it's a little bit thin compared to this one over here. Slightly, literally just slightly thinner, and possibly a little bit longer. But we're looking at absolute minute amounts, so it's not really going to make that much of a difference. But if you use this device every day like me, you will feel a slight difference. That's what I would definitely say. So yeah, so I do feel a slight difference, you know, in the feel of it there compared to my older one. The old one feels a little bit more bulky and a little bit more pushed out from this area, whereas this one feels a little bit more smoother. But it's the same materials that they've used. They've not changed the materials. They've kept everything the same apart from the actual charging system. So this is one issue that I have with this, that they've got the charging kind of port where the charger goes over here. Now, come on, Apple, what is this all about? You're gonna disable my workflow by putting this on charge like this? I mean, look at that on the table. How are you? You're not gonna, obviously, you're not meant to use it while it's on charge, which is pretty stupid, I think. I mean, how difficult would it have been to put the charger over here so that when you need a charge, you can just plug it into your computer and carry on working? So from a workflow perspective, can't stand that. I think it's a stupid decision. But apparently you can actually charge this again within a few minutes, and you get up to 8-9 hours apparently. Again, I will test that out and let you know in the review video that I post later on. So that's one negative, I would say. But however, to counter that, they do say if you put this on like a full charge, a proper full charge, it will last you for days. Now, if that's the case, then I'm happy. If I just need to put it on charge and it lasts me for a week for work, then I'm happy. And then I guess I'm not going to be that bothered. But the thing with the batteries was, the advantage of this was, the moment the batteries go dead, you always have some spare batteries. As a designer who uses this type of device, always got the spare batteries. That goes dead, put the batteries in, and you're ready to go. It takes a few seconds and you're ready to go. You don't have any delay. So this will still cause delay no matter what happens. So I guess that's the only negative that I have for now. So hope you like this quick little unboxing. I thought I'll do this quick little unboxing, nice little video to show you what it's like to open up a Magic Mouse 2 in 2019. So hopefully keep an eye out for some more unboxing, some more artwork. There's so much that I've got scheduled. There's also my Skillshare classes, which are really going well for me, and do keep an eye out on them. All the links are going to be in the description below, so do subscribe to the channel, do give it a thumbs up this video, and also have a look at my Skillshare channel and join me on Instagram. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep sketching, and peace.